Hi there. In this knowledge sharing video, I am going to share how to launch an EC2 instance using Terraform. I believe you must have installed Terraform in your system. If not, please do check out my video on how to install Terraform in Windows 10. I'll provide the link in the description. Now to get started, you will first need a directory to run the Terraform scripts from. I am going to create one for myself. Let me name it as Terraform Learnings. Now open Visual Studio Code and initialize your directory as a workspace. Once done, go to the extensions and install Terraform. I have already installed it in my system. Let's go back to Workspace and create a new directory and name it as EC2. Now we are ready to write our first Terraform script. Inside EC2 directory, create a new file, name it as main.tf. Here I am going to write two blocks of code, namely provider block and resource block. Let me write the two blocks first and then I'll explain each block one by one. Now we are ready with our code. I'll start with the provider block first. So this block basically tells Terraform to use AWS as a provider. And in here, access key and secret key are used for authentication. You can use multiple ways to authenticate to your AWS account. Here are the various methods using which you can authenticate your account. I strongly recommend to use environment variables or a shared credentials file to use it in production. Here we have examples on how to use each authentication methods. Now let's go back to our code. The resource block provides info on the resource that we are going to create using Terraform. Here we are going to use EC2 instance, and for creating an EC2 instance you need to provide these basic details. Here AMI is nothing but Amazon Machine Instance. To get this unique ID, go back to your EC2 instance management console. Click on Launch Instances. Now in here we have all the instances listed which we can launch. For example, Ubuntu Server 20.04 LTS. Now check for the AMI ID for this instance. I'm going to launch this instance with 64-bit version. So let's copy this number and paste it in here. Next you need to pass instance type. Go back to your management console. Here we have all the type of instances listed. Now select your instance. I'm going to use T2 micro. So I have provided T2 micro as an instance type. You can provide tags to your instance. I'm naming it as Hello Terraform. Now save this script. Go to terminal and launch a new terminal. Now go to EC2 directory. Here, first we need to run Terraform init. This will initialize the Terraform in this directory. You can check the logs. Once initialize is done, run Terraform plan. This will show you all the info related to your resources that you are about to create. Once verified, run Terraform apply. Make sure everything is in place. Check for any ambiguities. If all okay, type yes and hit enter. It might take some time to create your instance. Once done, go back to your EC2 management console for verification. Here it is. We have the instance running with the specified info that we passed from Terraform. Now go back to your terminal and type terraform destroy. This will terminate the EC2 instance that we created just now. Enter yes as a confirmation. Cool, we successfully terminated our EC2 instance. So this completes the learnings from this video. In my next video, I will be sharing how to add security groups to EC2 instances. See you there. Thank you.